Constant testing, iteration, and taking feedback from the field is the only way that we arrive at a robust, reliable, and high-performing product.
We're never satisfied with where the product is because there's always things to improve upon.
A core function of the client support team, in addition to just actually providing that frontline support, is then taking the feedback that we get from our customers in the field and bringing that back to our engineering teams to figure out how we can continually improve the product.
Over the years, in the way that we've developed the product, we've been able to effectively double the output and the production of this product while maintaining really the same sort of input amount of energy and labor that's required to run it. And that's only due to our ability to really learn from the opportunities and the pain points or the areas that our customers have identified.
Good design is a design that meets all the needs of the stakeholders who will be using it, and the goal is to always be growing, quite literally and also figuratively. The first attempt will never be the final.